Hey guys, what's going on? Hanging out with our good buddy Cringer once again. And this time we actually have something so big that we can't actually use the turntable for it. So what do we got this time? From the Masters of the Universe Origins line, we've got Stridor. This one is pretty damn cool looking. A lot of little details in there that I really do appreciate, paying respect and attention to the old school stuff. Of course, it comes with a little base like the Castle Grayskull and the battle damage version of He-Man and Battle Cat that was out, which I've showed off previously on Collectible Past. I think another awesome addition to the rebutting emergence of the He-Man Origins line. Going retro, I do appreciate this one a lot. Anyway, guys, of course, let Cringer know what you think about it. Let us know what you think about it. Later, y'all.